Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you sign up, and if you're selected, you get picked, you get one of these boxes full of goodies. All they ask is that you review the items inside. So let's take a look at what I got. First up, we have Ella's Flats. These are all seeds, little savory crisps. And it tells you what you can pair it with. You can eat it as is, or you can put on yogurt, hummus, salads, all sorts of stuff. Next up we have, a shampoo bar and a conditioner bar. We'll go ahead and open that. Here's the shampoo bar. I love shampoo bars. I use them all the time. This one smells really good too. Paraben free. Vegan. They last a really long time. And here's the conditioner bar. Now, I love the shampoo bars. I'm typically not a fan of conditioner bars, but I'm interested in trying a different brand. The ones I've tried in the past, I just feel like are harder to use. So I normally use my shampoo bar and then with regular conditioner. But definitely give this one a try. And next we have some caffeine-free herbal tea from Tipson. This is Sleep Well. There's 20 packages of tea in there. Also have a Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio. Looks like there's an island mint, a tropical citrus, and then an unscented one. That's cute. Yeah, I love that. I love minty balms too. So that's what those look like. We have a food item, a RawRev bar. This is a double chocolate brownie batter, plant-based protein bar, 10 grams of protein, and it is gluten-free. Just 4 grams of sugar in that one. Next we have Carefree Chocolate, formulated to help you stabilize stress. It's pretty interesting. Take a look at that. Yeah, so chocolate bar is wrapped up, plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, ethically sourced. Haven't heard of that brand, so excited to try that. Next, some Hand Balm by Flexitol. Rapid relief for very dry hands. I could definitely use that. This is Australian made and owned. Very cool. Then at the bottom of the box, there's usually coupon codes or advertisements about the brands inside. So we have a coupon for Ella's Flats, one for the chocolate. They have all different varieties. And the last one, this is for the lip gloss, to advertise their products as well. So if you guys would like to try to win a box, I will put all their social media below. They do hand out boxes on there if you interact with their posts, and then I will of course put the link so you can sign up on the website. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.